We will start learning the web server feature of the S7-1200. First of all, we need a new device. If you want, we can check our device. Our last project is here, V90 Udemy. I push a new device button. I will choose different way for adding CPU. You can choose unspecific CPU S7-1200 and specific CPU, and I push OK button, and I want to use hardware detection options. Here, or CPU, I want to detect and start search. We have here our CPU. I push detect. I'm pushing detect button, and now our hardware is ready. Siemens new PLC system have web server options. It's ready, but we need to enable this system. For this operation, we need to go CPU properties, and under this properties you can see web server. This is our web server system. If you activate web servers, and after downloading hardware, you will have one web server page. And this here, if you want, you can use HTTPS, and you can use enable automatic update function here. I want to check all this, and this here user management, and one user everybody and access level minimum. Another one, I want to use admin, and this access level, I want to check all this. Okay, and we need the password. This password using this web server feature. If you want use protection, you must use this protection and security. We don't need this now. Web server, I have admin, and I have password, and we can look this general activate web server, permit access only with HTTPS, and 10-second update. I have 2 users here, and if you want you can set these watch tables, and here user definite page. After we will look this, and entry page, if you can use intro page or your page, and this is okay. Now I will not make anything, and I say OK button, and I want to change my PLC name, and this is my PLC name, and I want to download hardware and software. If you change something in PLC properties, you must be offline, and you must download the device hardware and software. And I choose load. Continue without synchronization. I want to stop my system. Okay, start model. Now here our PLC's IP address 2.2 and another. Okay, HTTPS. My system gives some faults. I say okay, I want to go. Excuse me for this. This gives some secretary faults. Okay, here our web server. And this is intro page. I can say enter, and this is our CPU web page. We know our username. If if I use this another user, which one I don't remember, this everybody. This is now I am everybody. I just see this my CPU name, my CPU name web server Udemy, and module type and project name, and all this here, and my CPU is run, and I cannot make anything. It is here instruction and introduction, and I need the admin and my password and login. Okay, I am now I login and admin. I have administration, so I can look everything. I can look inside. I can stop my CPU and run my CPU. Let flash. Let's try this. Let's flash. Where is our video? In here. Okay, our CPU is here now. I want to try again this two window. Okay, now I say stop. You can see our CPU go stop, run, and this go run, and I can use this LED flashes. Okay, now we can control our system. And another diagnostic. Here our diagnostic, program protection, and system memory. Diagnostic buffer, we can see diagnostic buffer. Here our diagnostic buffer. And module information. We don't have any module, but our S7-1200 is here. This is station 1. And our system is name. And communication. MAC address, we can see here our web address, IP address, tag status. We don't have any tag, we don't write any variable. After we can try. And watch tables. The page is not available, we don't have any watch tables. And you can use this online backup. And user defined web page. We will make this web page after our project is this. And here this file browser, data logs and receives. This is like this. Now we can use start page, diagnostic, and model information, text status. Now here we need the address and display format. Let's try this, and after next video we will start the web page. Okay, now I need the one little program. Here I want to use M2.0 and output Q0.0. And new variable M2.0 this false and Q0.0. Okay, you can see this. If you want, you can modify value. I want the M2.0 bits 1 or true, and you can see our output is on now. And again 0, go, and you can see our program is work and our web server control our software. And this feature or this system, we will use this system on our web page. So we can use some bits, we can read some value on PLC, and we can use our web page like HMI. This will be user interface. Next video we will start to make user defined web page.